Hello students, in the previous lecture we have completed the three questions. Lesson 2.2 we have completed and now we are on page number 56. We are learning activities. We are learning activities on page number 56. Okay, so on page number 56 I think we have learned second activity, but I will repeat for you. Page number 56, activity second. Match the titles with the contents of the proper paragraphs. Okay, in second column there are titles and in first column there are paragraphs, first line and ending line, and you have to match the titles in second column with the paragraphs in first column. Okay, so first, once a certain king dash dash dash, last line important to do. ओके इसके लिए हमारा टाइटल होगा नंबर जी, हाँ, क्वेश्चंस रिमेन अनआंसर्ड. ओके जी इसके लिए आंसर होगा नहीं, हाँ इसके लिए सॉरी इसके लिए हमारा टाइटल होगा किंग्स अनाउंसमेंट. हाँ, ऑन अ सर्टन किंग, वंस अ सर्टन किंग डैश डैश इंपॉर्टेंट टू डू, इसका टाइटल होगा आई किंग्स अनाउंसमेंट. ओके देन many learn people dash 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 time for everything. इसके लिए हमारा टाइटल होगा the king received various answers. Okay, so for second answer is title is H, the king received various answer. फर्स्ट के लिए हमारा आंसर था I king's announcement. सेकंड के लिए हमारा टाइटल है H, the king received various answers. Now third, equally varied dash 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 gave the reward to none. अब थर्ड के लिए हमारा टाइटल है G, questions remain unanswered. थर्ड के लिए हमारा टाइटल होगा G, questions remain unanswered. Then fourth, when the king arrived dash 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 my first question. अब फोर्थ के लिए हमारा टाइटल होगा J, the king meets the hermit. For 4 J, the king meets the hermit. Okay, and 5 के लिए the hermit listen dash 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 continue to dig. उसके लिए हमारा टाइटल होगा C, king helps the hermit. 5 के लिए, 5th के लिए C, king helps the hermit. ओके, सो हमने 5 एक्टिविटीज को सॉल्व, 5 पहले पैराग्राफ्स को सॉल्व किया है. रेस्ट ऑफ द 5 यू कैन डू एट होम. नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी, एक्टिविटी 3. The character traits of the king and hermit are mixed up. Sort them out in the right box. Okay, there are two boxes, box of king and box of hermit, and in the first box there are qualities and the qualities are mixed, and you have to state or you have to write the proper quality to the proper box of king or hermit. Okay, so first one is feeble. Feeble is the quality of hermit. Okay, write feeble in hermit. Then second was impatient. Impatient, king was impatient, so write impatient in king. Then third, helpful. Helpful, king was helpful, so write helpful in king. Then eager to succeed, it was eager to succeed, quality of king, so eager to succeed, write in king. Then wise, who was wise? Hermit, so write wise in hermit. Okay, then patient, who was patient? Hermit, hermit was patient, so write patient in hermit. Okay, convincing, who was convincing? Hermit was convincing, so write convincing in hermit. Okay, so all activities on page number 56 are completed. Now see on page number 57, there are other activities, there are some boxes, okay, titles, and you have to write according to that title into boxes. Complete the tree diagrams associated with the happenings in the story. Happenings, incidents in the story. स्टोरी में जैसे जैसे हैपनिंग्स होते गए, इंसिडेंट्स होते गए, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको ट्री डायग्राम कंप्लीट करना है। ओके, रिवॉर्ड विनिंग क्वेश्चंस, यू हैव टू राइट 3 क्वेश्चंस। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सेकंड क्वेश्चन आपको दिया गया है और थर्ड क्वेश्चन आपको लिखना है। क्वेश्चंस आर इन पैसेज फर्स्ट, यू कैन फाइंड आउट क्वेश्चंस एंड राइट इन द बॉक्सेस। बी, डिफरेंट रिस्पॉन्सेज टू फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, जैसे ही राजा के 3 क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए उनको कोर्ट से डिफरेंट रिस्पॉन्सेज मिले, वो डिफरेंट रिस्पॉन्सेज क्या थे वो आपको लिखने हैं, ओनली 2 लिखने हैं आपको, तीसरा आपको दिया है, एंड देन यू हैव टू राइट ओनली फर्स्ट रिस्पॉन्स एंड सेकंड रिस्पॉन्स, मींस फर्स्ट रिस्पॉन्स टू फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सेकंड रिस्पॉन्स टू सेकंड क्वेश्चन, थर्ड रिस्पॉन्स आपको दिया गया है। सी, मोस्ट नेसेसरी पीपल नीडेड बाय द किंग, किंग के लिए नेसेसरी पीपल कौन थे, वो लिखना है आपको। जैसे कि हरमित ने बताया था कि उसको राजा के लिए कौन से लोग जरूरी है, ओके, वो 3 पीपल आपको लिखने हैं। डी, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ऑक्यूपेशंस, ऑक्यूपेशन मींस टास्क और वर्क, राजा के लिए 3 महत्वपूर्ण जरूरी काम कौन से थे जो हरमित ने उसको बताए, वो 3 काम आपको बॉक्सेस में लिखने हैं। ओके, सो दीज आर वेरी सिंपल एक्टिविटीज। पेज नंबर 57 completed. Now page number 58. 58 activity number 5. Write down in your notebook 2 points for each of the following. How do you know? How do you know the learned advisors who came to the court confused the king? How do you know? Because everyone gave different answers. Okay, no answer satisfied the king. Okay, so I become to know that the learned advisors who came to the court confused the king. Okay, learned advisors gave different answers, gave different responses, and those responses did not satisfy to the king. Okay, B, how do you know the king was humble? The king was humble because he made Hermit not as a king, he made Hermit as a common man, so he was a humble king. Okay, so इस तरह से आपको 2 पॉइंट लिखने हैं। Okay, then activity 6, choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. First one, varied, paragraph number 3 में ये वर्ड आया है, varied means different, correct, A, varied, different. B, many learned people came to the court and gave different answers, third. Okay, so B का आंसर है third. C, the synonym of convinced is persuaded, first, convinced means persuaded, correct. D, the king wanted to know the dash time to begin everything, right time to begin everything, so D का आंसर है first. Then E, I pray you to answer my question. Here pray means request, second one, so E का आंसर है second. F, choose an adverb that collocates with breath, breathe heavily. Okay, so breathe heavily, F का आंसर है second. Okay, so activity 6 complete हो गई. Now activity 7, answer the following questions. There are questions and you have to answer of the question. First, the learned people were sometimes divided into their opinions, different persons giving quite different answers. At other times, none of them gave an answer. They all suggested ways to looking for an answer. Can you point one example of each? Means you have to write one example of each response. King's questions and people's response. King question, people's response. King questions, people response. So you have to write one response of each of the questions. You can find paragraph number 2 and paragraph number 3 answers of this question. B. Though the hermit did not say anything to the king for some time, he did not ignore the king or treat him rudely in any way. Do you agree? Okay, though hermit did not say anything, but he did not ignore also. So do you agree? Yes, I am totally agree with this thing that hermit did not totally ignore the king. What evidence of his politeness can you point out? Okay, evidence of politeness. Hermit was polite, hermit did not ignore, and hermit suggested the king to rest for some time. This is the example of his politeness. Okay, next question. C. Hermit spoke only to common people, so the king put on simple clothes. Do you think the king hoped to be mistaken for a common man, or was he just showing that he was a humble person? Do you think the king hoped to be mistaken for a common man, or just he was showing that he was a humble person? He was a humble person actually. The king was a humble person. Okay. D. Did the king behave as an ordinary person rather than as a ruler at hermit's hut? Yes, king behaved as an ordinary person. मतलब वो राजा था, लेकिन राजा के जैसा बिहेव उसने हर्मिट के यहाँ नहीं किया. He behaved as a common person. He behaved as an ordinary person. Okay? इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आपको एकदम सिंपल क्वेश्चंस है जो आपको आंसर्स लिखने हैं. सो पेज नंबर 58 की एक्टिविटीज कंप्लीट हो गई. नाउ सी ऑन पेज नंबर 59 एक्टिविटी 8. Consider this list of different things that happened and rearrange them in an order of time. That is, what happened first, what happened next, and so on. Read the related paragraph again if you are uncertain. If you are not certain, you can read the paragraphs again. Okay, and you have to write the incidents according to the happenings in the lesson. Okay, first, the bearded man resolved to kill the king. The king went alone to see hermit. The king executed the bearded man's brother. The king spent the night at hermit's hut. The bearded man laid an ambush to kill the king. The king's bodyguards recognized and wounded the bearded man. The bearded man came out of the ambush. Okay, so इसमें पहला इंसिडेंट है B. The king went alone to see hermit. Okay, the king went alone to see hermit. फर्स्ट, इसको आप फर्स्ट नंबर दे सकते हो. सेकंड नंबर इसका है, सेकंड नंबर है द किंग्स बॉडीगार्ड. नो, सेकंड नंबर इसमें है द किंग spent the night at the hermit's hut. The king spent the night at the hermit's hut. थर्ड नंबर है the bearded man resolved to kill the king. This is third number. और बाकी के नंबर आप लगा सकते हो. So activity 8 is now completed. Activity 9. Read the story in your own language. Summarize the following aspects of the story in 4 to 5 lines, each in your own language. Write it in your notebook. Okay? आपको किंग्स प्रॉब्लम के बारे में लिखना है, अटेम्प्ट्स मेड टू फाइंड अ सॉल्यूशन के बारे में लिखना है, क्लाइमैक्स क्या हुआ स्टोरी का वो लिखना है, सॉल्यूशन एंड मैसेज. ओके, एक्टिविटी 9 कंप्लीटेड. नाउ एक्टिविटी 10A. 10A में आपको जंबल्ड वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं और जंबल्ड वर्ड्स आपको करेक्ट वर्ड्स लिखने हैं. जैसे कि पहला वर्ड है अंडरटेक. पहला वर्ड क्या है? अंडरटेक. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वर्ड इज अंडरटेक जो जंबल्ड फॉर्म में दिया गया है. देन सेकंड वर्ड है एनिमल. सेकंड वर्ड क्या है? एनिमल. थर्ड पास्ट टाइम. थर्ड है पास्ट टाइम. ओके, हाँ. फोर्थ है पास्ट टाइम. हाँ, फोर्थ फोर्थ है बॉडी गार्ड। ओके, इस तरह से आपको इजी जम्बलिंग वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं, आपको वो वर्ड्स को करेक्ट करके लिखना है। सो इन दिस वे ऑन पेज नंबर 59 वी हैव कंप्लीटेड एक्टिविटी नंबर 10A। ओके, जो बाकी के एक्टिविटीज है वो हम अगले लेक्चर में पूरा करेंगे, उसको और देखेंगे। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच।